You've poured your heart and soul into your presentation, the content is top-notch, but when you deliver it virtually, the audience seems disengaged. You see blank faces staring back at you through their screens, crickets chirping in the silence, a virtual presenter's nightmare. But fear not, fellow presenters, the virtual world doesn't have to be a graveyard for engaging presentations. Here's the good news. With a few key strategies, you can transform your virtual presentations from snooze fests to interactive experiences that captivate your audience online. Understanding the virtual landscape, challenges and opportunities. Virtual presentations come with their own unique set of challenges. Gone are the days of feeding off the energy of a live audience. Instead, you're battling distractions, limited non-verbal cues, and the ever-present temptation for attendees to multitask or simply tune out. However, the virtual realm also presents exciting opportunities. Interactive tools, screen sharing capabilities, and the ability to reach a global audience are just a few advantages. Transforming your presentation. Strategies for virtual success. So how do we bridge the gap and create engaging virtual experiences? Let's dive into some key strategies. 1. Content is king, but engagement is queen. Just like any presentation, strong content is the foundation. However, virtual presentations require a focus on clear, concise messaging and engaging delivery. Keep it short and sweet. Attention spans online are shorter. Focus on delivering the most important points in a clear and concise manner. Chunk your content. Break down your presentation into digestible chunks with clear transitions. Use visuals, stories, and examples to keep your audience engaged. 2. Embrace the power of visuals. Forget bullet points and text-heavy slides. The virtual world thrives on visuals. Captivating slides. Use high-quality images, infographics, and videos to break up text and keep your audience visually stimulated. Interactive elements. Consider incorporating polls, quizzes, or live Q&A sessions to keep your audience actively involved. Screen sharing. This allows you to demonstrate concepts, share documents, and enhance the visual storytelling of your presentation. 3. Mastering the art of delivery in a virtual world. Non-verbal communication is a big part of delivering a compelling presentation. However, virtual settings present some limitations. Here's how to adapt. Project your voice. Speak with confidence and clarity. Vary your tone and pace to keep your audience engaged. Make eye contact, virtually. Look directly into the camera to simulate eye contact with your audience. This creates a connection and keeps your viewers focused. Body language matters. Even though you're not physically on stage, maintain good posture and use hand gestures to emphasize your points. Embrace the pause. Don't rush through your presentation. Use pauses effectively for dramatic effect and to allow your audience to absorb the information. 4. Technology is your ally, not your enemy. The virtual space offers a plethora of tools to enhance your presentation. Learn how to leverage them effectively. Presentation platforms. Master the platform you're using. Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and explore its interactive features like breakout rooms, polls, and whiteboard tools. Presentation software. Utilize software like PowerPoint or Keynote to create visually engaging slides with animations, transitions, and multimedia elements. Virtual backgrounds. Consider using a virtual background to minimize distractions and enhance the professionalism of your presentation. 5. Preempt technical difficulties. Technology can be a double-edged sword. Be prepared for technical glitches by practice makes perfect. Rehearse your presentation using the chosen platform beforehand to identify any potential technical issues. Have a backup plan. Always have a backup plan in case of technical difficulties. This could involve having a colleague ready to take over or having a pre-recorded version of your presentation available. Bonus tip: the power of authenticity. In a world saturated with pre-recorded videos and polished presentations, authenticity shines through. Be yourself. Inject your personality into your presentation, and don't be afraid to show your passion for the topic. Remember, engaging a virtual audience takes practice and adaptation. Don't be discouraged by initial setbacks. Keep experimenting with different techniques, gather feedback, and refine your approach to become a master presenter in the virtual world. Mastering virtual presentations is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the unique opportunities of the online space, experiment with different techniques, and keep honing your skills. With dedication and these strategies in your arsenal, you'll transform from a virtual presenter to a captivating online communicator. So, did these tips spark your virtual presentation confidence? If you found this helpful and want to delve deeper into engaging virtual presentations, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll be releasing more content on crafting compelling virtual content, mastering presentation tools, and overcoming the challenges of the online world. Remember, the virtual world is your stage, so grab it with confidence and captivate your audience online.